was one sentence, 8 words. You've probably already forgotten you said it. I haven't. Nothing about your tone was cruel. Nothing in the room changed it all. But something in me just went into free fall, off a cliff you didn't know was there. I knew it wasn't a big deal in real time. No one ever once slowed the fall. 39 years and that hasn't changed yet. This isn't sadness, sadness has a reason you can point to. They gave this one a name to RSD. Rejection Sensitive Dysphoria, if you want it in full. Every old wound at once, woken up by something small enough it shouldn't have tripped a single wire. Rejected, not the word you used, just the word that landed. Rejected, 8 letters and suddenly I'm 13 again, standing in every room I've ever been unwanted in. All at once, all over one sentence, you've already forgotten you said. The lights get too loud, the room doesn't get bigger, I get smaller in it. Everyone's voice arrives half a second behind their mouth moving. Giving this one the name shutdown, not a meltdown. That one's loud, that one's outward. Everything's spilling where everyone can see it. This is the quiet one, the freeze, not the fight. The system pulling every plug it can reach, saving power the only way it knows how. They gave this next one a name to PDA. Pathological demand avoidance, if you want it in full, not defiance, not I won't. It's a nervous system saying I can't. Just wiring that reads, keep talking as a wall, deciding the demand's too heavy to hold, even when the whole demand is just one more word. Then the battery just empties, not sad, not angry, just nothing left to spend. Words are in there somewhere, I just can't find the charge to move them. I'm still in here, I promise I'm still in here. I just spent everything I had on staying upright this long. 90 seconds, that's what the first wave can last, before it's just a thought wearing a feeling's coat. I know that I've known that for years. 90 seconds still felt like the whole day. It wasn't about the size of the thing, it was about how many old wounds were waiting underneath. And knowing the science never once made it shorter. Ask me about the thing instead, not are you okay? Ask me about the thing. Watch what happens to my face the second the subject changes to the one that's mine. 8 hours gone and I didn't notice. First time all day, the lights didn't hurt. They gave it a word for this too, monotropism. One deep channel instead of 10 shallow streams. My attention doesn't spread wide, it goes deep. The same wiring that empties the battery is exactly what refills it, if you point it at the right thing instead of calling it the problem. 28 songs, 1 month, every day the same. Didn't plan it, didn't pace it, didn't take a day off. Started barely knowing the words for what I was. Got better at the craft in the same breath I was living it. You wanna know what monotropism actually looks like? You're listening to it right now. This isn't me describing the reboot. This whole album is the reboot, running in real time. You don't fix an empty battery by telling it to stop being empty. You fix it by giving it something worth spending the charge on. Rejected, still 8 letters, still ends the same way it always will. But these are my special interests, the thing that gets me back when everything else has gone too loud. Every single time, no exceptions. Nothing else has ever worked as fast or as well. Both of these are real, both of these are mine. One of them empties me, one of them charges me back up. I don't need to feel less. I just need somewhere to put it. 8 words took me down today. 8 hours brought me back. 4 weeks built a whole album out of the same trick. That's not weakness on one side and strength on the other. That's just the wiring. The same wiring that made me this way, working the way it's built to.